Welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today, things are going to be a-okay. Oh no. First ball out, number 82. Second ball out, number 49. Third ball out, number 5. Fourth ball out, number 14. Fifth ball out, number 59. Sixth and final number is number 7, lucky number. And the lightning ball is 37, first of a number to come out on bingo draw. Those numbers again in ascending order are 5, 7, 14, 49, 59 and 82. And the lightning ball is 37. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's bingo draw. Bye for now.